unboxing the ELLIPAL Titan. We already took the wrapper off because we had a little disturbance when we first started. ELLIPAL. But we're just going to unbox it today. Nice white box. Looks pretty good. Got your little card. Congratulations. Your crypto is safe. Is in safe hands. ELLIPAL Titan brings you the most secure air and a hardware together. It's impenetrable from both networks and physical attacks. These fearless Titan is impossible to take down. We at ELLIPAL would like to thank you for trusting us with your security of your valuable cryptocurrencies. Please take the time to enjoy your ELLIPAL Titan experience. Thank you. Here is the wallet. This is the wallet. Looks pretty slick. What's this little tab on here? Step 1. Please peel off this mask after application is completed. Man, that's just telling you to peel off the little, nothing. We got some stickers in here. This is for your mnemonic phrase, your 24 words. You can write them there. I never use that. I got my own way of keeping my phrases. Then we got a little quick start guide. You got your little barcode, your little QR code for your app. Probably you're going to scan it with your phone and the app will come to your phone so you can have your app. You got your charger little port. You put this on that ELLIPAL. When it's time to charge it, you put this as magnetic. You put this on the bottom like that. You plug in your wire to there and plug it into a power source. Preferably not a computer. Never plug it into a computer. You do it to a power source. That's what ELLIPAL recommends. And that's how you charge it. So we're going to charge this thing right now. And then we're going to come back to the video.
2,000 years later.
All right, we're back.
And then I saw her face.
We just finished recharging our ELLIPAL. We didn't take our little sticker off like they said. Take the sticker off. Hey, I thought that was actually I need to get my assistant to get this off. Here, you try.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yes, we take that off, and then we can turn this on. Trash, please.
Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
We can take that, turn the ELLIPAL on. While we're waiting for the ELLIPAL to come on, you see that? My assistant is Akina that's doing this with me today. She's going to take and scan this. This is your user's guide that comes with the device, our user's guide. We're going to scan this QR code to get the ELLIPAL app that's going to be on her phone. Let's go.
Can you see that? Okay, it's scanning. Do you want to click it? Okay, then it will right to the app. So you download the app. Okay, Face ID. Yep, this is what we wait.
So the app is downloaded now?
It's downloaded.
The app is downloaded. That was pretty fast. App downloaded. What's the next step? It says hit OK.
Just swipe over it.
Oh, swipe over. It's giving you little instructions. So you can read those things out.
Multi-account and multi-currency management. Asset management. Secure and fast token exchanges. Safe transactions. Real-time token quotations. Real-time markets. Start. And that's all.
You can go through all the little legal stuff they got, you know. Right, so now we got the ELLIPAL app is on the phone, and can we see everything that's going on around here right now? Back, and we've downloaded the app so far. We got the ELLIPAL working, so we're going to take our ELLIPAL, we're going to click on English because that's our language. You see, you got a lot of different languages you can use in there. We're going to use English. And it says download the ELLIPAL app down next. All right, we already did the ELLIPAL app. That's on our phone. So we say next. Create an account, recover account with a mnemonic phrase, or import account. So we're doing a brand new account. So we're going to go create an account. But if you already had your mnemonic phrases, which are here, if you had your 24 words, you would just say recover account, punch in your 24 words, and your crypto would all pop up originally like it was in your ELLIPAL. Import an account is if I have an account on another ELLIPAL and I want to bring it over to this ELLIPAL. That's what I would do for import. But for this video today, we're going to create an account. Create account. Oh, the account name. So what's this account going to be named? We're going to name this account. This account is going to be for the video. So we're just going to do a quick account. I'm going to delete this account and then I'm going to erase it. We're back. We already put the account name in and we did ASD for the account. And we're going to just do the password. They want letters and numbers. I want to do something simple. This is just for the camera, so don't think you can take this stuff and go in and you're going to get some crypto because you will not have nothing because this account will be erased right after we're finished doing the video. We won't even use it. We won't even add no crypto anyway. We're just showing you for the setup. Okay, we're going to do something simple. Z, X. And then we'll put some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope they don't want a special character too. What did I do? Z, X. Then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit continue. Or the check mark. Oh, can y'all see that? So I had to hit a check mark first. And then we hit create account. Create account. Now it's creating the account. All right. Account created. Successfully created. Please back up your mnemonic phrase. Now this is the part that most people don't like to do, but this is the most important part. You got to back up your mnemonic phrase. All right, so we're going to hit back up mnemonic phrase. And what's it asking us?
Please keep in mind, it's
Mnemonic.
telling y'all it's important for the safety and stuff.
Oh, all right. So you got to check all these boxes. When you see these, this comes up and tells you your mnemonic is important. Mnemonic is important for asset safety. Once lost, you will never get your account or assets back. So you got to click that. Bam. Got to read this one. Mnemonics will not store in ELLIPAL. This is only a chance for you to back it up. Please back up your mnemonic phrase in a safe place without cameras. So you don't want no cameras on. You don't want to put this in no notepads and no computers. You don't want to put it in no little iPad, little thingies or things on your phone, little apps or anything. You don't never want this stuff going into any type of computer device. You want to actually put it on something like this on paper, or you want to put it on a metal, like a metal device. One of the metal ones is even the more secure type ones. You want to put it on something like this, which we're going to have one of our little helpers come show y'all some of this a little later on, but not right now. We'll get back to this a little later. All right, so let's go here. Back up now. We hit back up now. There go the phrases. Copy them still if you want to. It will never be no crypto in here, so don't think about it. And then we go to Akina. So now, what would you do with this, Akina? Once you got your phrases, what do you do?
You write them down.
You write them down? Yeah, so she's still continuing, putting in the letters, the words from each letter we got. We just got them abbreviated. As you can see, each of them, they start falling in their places as she's hitting them.
Oops.
2,000 years later.
All right, wallet is created. So our wallet is created. Right now, we gotta select which currencies we want, and I'll let you select a couple. Which currencies you want to have in this wallet?
Bitcoin.
Select it. Let us see it.
I think she's done. I think she's done. Are you, like, medically speaking?
You're not selected.
Oh, you know what? They're on already. The little, I think the toggle buttons are on, so we can just say okay.
They all on
All right, so we would have toggled them off to select ones we didn't want. So it just basically put a bunch of them right in there for us. So now if we wanted to put some currency in there, if we wanted to add some Bitcoin, we would just hit Bitcoin. We would hit Bitcoin, put our password in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our password. So that password comes up, and we would go to our app. We go to our app. Oh, we got to connect the app. I didn't even connect the app to it. Let's go. All right, so let's connect the app. So you say connect app. Go connecting our cold wallet. It says connect to cold wallet. Hit that. ELLIPAL. What's that? Your Face ID?
No.
Or use
Access
the camera?
camera.
Yeah, let it add the camera. All right, so now we got to connect we're connecting the app. We're connecting this ELLIPAL unit to the actual app on the phone. So we scan that code. Now it just connected. It's asking us to rate it. Not right now. So right now we got Bitcoin in there. So now if we wanted to add some Bitcoin, we would just hit our Bitcoin. That's our BTC is there. And we could just hit receive. We would hit receive Bitcoin. And that address would go out to whoever's sending us Bitcoin. And I'll probably do it once we come back. I'll actually show you how to do this. This was just a demonstration so y'all could see how to actually set the wallet up. But when we come back, we'll have an account that's already set up, and we can send some Bitcoin back and forth between the app and the ELLIPAL Titan. And that's it for this quick unboxing of the ELLIPAL Titan. Thank y'all.